Hi people, uh, I'm here to show you another money making business. This business is on how you can get followers on your YouTube, on your Facebook, Twitter account and Instagram. I'm going to introduce two major sites to you. One is PlayerUp, which is playerup.com, and another one is admefast.com. You see this admefast, the first site you're about to go is admefast.com. When you come to admefast.com, you click on register or you click on try for free now. When you register on this site, you'll be given a 200 points. This 200 points is meant for you to do either look for to get traffic or likes to your Facebook or followers to your Facebook, to your Twitter account, to your Instagram account, even to get views for your YouTube channels, video channels. I have already gotten a channel. I've already gotten an account rather, and this thing. So let us begin by going to my account and start the video proper, so that I can teach you how you can make money out of this. Yeah. There's a mistake there. Yeah. I think there's a mistake. I'm not getting my yeah, I'm here now. As you can see, this is the point I'm having on this account. I'm having like 575 points. Here you can come to this place for any other subscription. You can have points, free points. To get a free point, you have to click on either Facebook likes, Facebook share, Facebook followers, and the rest of it like that. Just scroll down and you see the rest of it. See, so whichever one you look, and then this point is going to increase. So let us go to Facebook like and let me show you how it works. Yeah, the same. You get 35.4 liking. So wait for 30 seconds. This is how you do it. You come to like and click, then there's a pop-up page that open up here. Then you click on like. Then when it is liked, then you come here and close it. Then check here, you see it increases. That is how you get your likes. Like this one also, do it again, then you like, so you wait for like 2 or 3 seconds, then you close, then check it. Wow, so this is how it works. That is how you increase your points. Then you can sell this points at, or you can use it for your own followers. Before I show you how to sell it, you can just come to my site, From here you can just put your own. This is the site I'm giving likes to, which is my Twitter account. This is Twitter, so I'm referring followers to my Twitter account. So this is how the Twitter account looks like. But if I want to add a new one, or let me show you the details. This is how it looks like. This is 32 clicks, daily 2, remaining 18. So it will be giving you like 2 or more. So it depends on what you are going to do. But when you are doing this, you have to add a Twitter account, then you put the number of points you want to be there. At that point, it depends on how, let's say when you are putting the points, then it's going to ask you, like now I'm having like 625, 27 rather, 627. Then there's CPC, that cost per click, which they must get to. For those who are going to click on this site, who are like you on this site that are going to click, like maybe starting from 5 CPC, 12 to 25. So you just choose one. So when you choose, like let's say 10 CPC. Oh, sorry. Let's say 10 CPC. See, divided by 10. So that means we are going to get 62 clicks or like or followers to your account you are referring those people onto. So but if like this, now you have these points, and even though you are going to sell points to people, you have to have a lot of points to sell to people. And where to sell it, when you want to sell your points, you come to playerup.com. When you come to playerup.com, you sign up here. When you sign up here, then you come down, you scroll down, then when you get down here, you click on all other games or marketplace. From all other games or marketplace, you get to see people. It's loading. So let's say you want to sell Facebook like or followers to some people, and you know Facebook starts from F. You just click on F here. Then look for Facebook. You click on Facebook. So this is where now you are in Facebook. You must sign up before you can sell here. These are those people. These are the people who are going to sell here. We have a lot of people here. Some have just dropped this like 5 minutes ago, who have posted likes or advertisement for Facebook there. But the major one we are going for is likes and subscribers, or let's say views, maybe your video views, or let's say or followers. So when you click on this, let's say you are selling followers, then you post your own trend here. But before that, let me show you some people who have posted. So some people are selling likes, 1000 Facebook real followers for $7. So when you come here, when you go to adminfast.com, when you can sell them followers like 1000, you have like $7. You can sell it for $7. You can sell it for $500. I mean $8. This one have been sold. This one 600 Facebook followers. It depends on how much you want to put on it. So when you do that, you post it, then you'll be contacted by buyers who are interested in buying your product. So your likes or followers. So When you do that, then you put it here where I click my site. But if you want to do that, you come here, you put add site. From add that site, you put likes or followers. Facebook. Then you choose maybe worldwide, or if you're not choosing worldwide, you choose the country you want to put there, maybe Afghanistan or Albania, like that. Then you put the title, then the URL of the person who wanted you to send the followers or to his account. Then you put the URL here, then the number of clicks the person is looking for, number of clicks, maybe like 5 or 10. Then this is 25. This CPC, then if you are going to go with CPC, I've shown you before, you can change it to either 5 or 7 or 10, so that people who are clicking it will know that they are doing so. You just put it here, then you put then the number of clicks, you just put it here, then you multiply it by the number you are going to give out, maybe by 5,000 or 2,000. Then you click save changes, then it will come up like my site here. Then traffic will be sent to there, clicks and CPC will be sent to there. This is CPC. I'm giving 7 for my own for this campaign. So that is all for that. That is how you make money with admin fast, likes and followers and points. I hope this video has helped you, and if this video has helped you, click on the subscribe button and the notification button so that when another video is coming up, you can get notified about it. I hope this video has helped you. Once again, click on the subscribe button on this video channel, this YouTube video channel, and click on the notify bell so that you notify button so that you can be notified for everything. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.